Gloria, what drives you to work so hard?
And it's a combination of things. My mom was a hard worker. All I ever remember her doing was working. She owned her own beauty salon. And I think I just followed after her. I'm like her in a lot of ways. I just feel like, that I had to do well. And I would excel. When I started working for the state of Florida, within 2 years, I was promoted to a supervisor.
Miss Gloria, what was life like for you as a kid?
My mom, she would never leave us home by herself, so wherever they went, we had to go. And she and my stepfather loved to fish. So Thanksgiving time, we would be whining and whining. We didn't cry because we wanted to have turkey. And she'd say, tell your friends you had turkey. Your turkey just had fins on it. My mom's beauty salon was in Hallandale, and I went to elementary school in Hallandale. And when we came home, I would sit in the back of the shop, and I would be reading my Bible and talking to myself. And so her customers would say, Fanny, do you know Gloria back there talking to herself? She said, yeah, it's okay as long as she don't answer herself.
What do you wish you did that you didn't get to do as a kid?
Play sports and learn how to dance. Because to this day, I still don't know how to dance. When I was in college, and I attended Florida A&M University, and when they would have these dances and the boys would ask me to dance, and I said, I can't dance, but then I did know what back then they used to call it slow drag, and I don't know what they call it now. I could do that. I managed to somehow or another to figure that out.
What is something you love doing other than working?
I love doing river cruising, and I've been on 3 of those. And I just love, going out of the country, because when I was growing up working, I didn't have the money to afford to cruise. Now I do, so I try to go as much as I can. So I'll go anywhere. I mean, there's and just even not only cruising, but just visiting, other states. I have made a list of all the states I've been to. I have 18 more to visit. And so that's one of my goals is to go to all of the states.
Tell me about your volunteer work.
Well, the first one that I'm most proud of is the volunteer with the Military Order of the Purple Heart. And it's the auxiliary, we were created in order to support the order. Those men and women who had received a Purple Heart, doing active duty. And so what we would do is do fundraisers in order to raise funds, in order to provide things for veterans and their families. I volunteer with the AARP Tax Aid Program, and I've been volunteering, and it's here at the Tallahassee Senior Center, and this is my 11th year, and I have been the local coordinator for the past 7 years. The city is so gracious to allow us to use space, a room on the 3rd floor. They close it off, and we are very appreciative of that. I just enjoy serving and helping other people.
Miss Gloria, why is it important for seniors to keep active?
I feel it's important because you have to keep your mind stimulated. Because I do taxes for about 2.5 months, I'm busy. I don't have a whole lot of time to do anything, and I think just running around doing that is I'm active. And then after taxes, I try to spend as much time as I can with my 6-year-old great-granddaughter. She comes here to stay with me during the summer, so I spend a lot of time with her, driving her around, keeping her involved in activities, and then that's when I travel.